Donald Trump, you dare to touch Burkina Faso. You dare to touch South Africa. You dare to touch our African continent. American empire has fallen into pieces around the world. We will destroy you if you try to destroy us. We will destroy you if you try to destroy Africa. We will destabilize your country if you try to destabilize Africa. Enough is enough now. Get fuck out from Africa now. You have no say in our continent. Ibrahim Traore is not alone. We are South African. We are standing firmly with him. Just because you got power, you can come destabilize our continent. Get fuck out from South Africa now. Get fuck out from Africa right now. Get fuck out from Burkina Faso.